Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maz Naturals and I make loc videos, faith, fitness and skincare. So if you want to watch more of my videos, then do hit that subscribe button. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you how I use these crochet hooks to smooth my ends like this one. So I'm going to find the end now, what needs rounding off. Let's see when you want them, maybe we can find it. This one here has got a little bit of thinning at the end, so I'm going to crochet this back up into the loc. So I'm going to use my single crochet hook. There's a method to how you do this. This is how I do it. It's tricky to show you how. So you basically push the needle in and then pull it down, you see? Push it in, pull, push, pull, and then you go like from side to side. Twisting it around as you go. See, it's coming together. Now you have to be very careful because if you jab these into your fingers, it's so painful. You see how it's coming together? Now this is what you do if you don't want to cut your loc, if you don't want to pull it off like I've done in the past. You just crochet it together. So you basically pull in, out, and then turn, see? Practically like you never know that that loc was hanging off. It's all back together. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. With crochet, it's tricky in the beginning, but practice makes perfect. So this loc is a bit splayed out because I had colour damage and I cut the ends of my locs, so some of them have just gone a bit funny at the ends. So I'll use my crochet hook to, so see how it is now? How it's fat on the ends, it's not sort of, before it kind of thins out, I'm going to pull it together. So I'll put my crochet hook in. And then kind of pull and twist between your fingers. It's hard to explain, but you'll know you're doing it right when it all comes together. You've got to be very careful. See, it's coming together. Then see how it's come together now, and then I palm roll it, and then it's smoother. Just do it a little bit more. There you go. So it just makes it more of a cylinder shape. If you want to pull these ones in, you can do that also. So I kind of fold it and then bring it in.
In, out, in, out, in, out, turn. In, out, in, out, in, out, turn.
There you go. There you have it. Okay, let's see if we can find any more. There's one there. You see that one there? Now, for those who don't know, I had got colour damage. My locks got colour damage, so I ended up cutting out the ends where the colour was still on the ends and it was weakening my locks. So I basically chopped off the colour, got rid of it, and this is what I'm left with. So I've got some short bits, some long bits, but it's fine because it's all growing back now. So you kind of roll it. This is the way I do it. I mean, there's a guy on Instagram, what's his name? He's the king of crochet. Screen. And you can check out his page on Instagram. See, this is coming together again. Fold. So I fold like so. See, I folded it and then bring it in. Just try and do it slow at first until you get the hang of it, and then be very careful because I have hurt my fingers a lot of times. See? See? These bits here, fold under, fold it, and then you bring your needle through, grab, pull, grab, pull, pull, and then you go quick, 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 quick. It's hard to kind of show you, but you kind of you're just pulling the little hairs through. See? And then I like to finish off rolling it when I've dampened it down because my hair needs a bit of moisture. You can see and I'll show you another one, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished result. Actually, before I show you the finished result, I'm going to show you how I'm going to join a longer one. See? Ooh. Yeah, see, that's why you just take your time, don't rush it. If you must take your time, you still get the same results, but just take your time with it at first. So you're pushing it in, out, and then you're rolling it. Roll. See? It's not quite done yet. There you go, see? And these stray bits, you just fold it. So we're going to pull that through now. So we pulled it through. Let's see. Pulled it through that side. You can see the hairs there. So we're going to pull it through the other side. You've got to be very careful because you can damage the lock if you don't do it properly. So be very careful, because I've done it a few times. where it's kind of come off because I've been a bit too rough. Didn't take my time. See? There you go. Right, so now I'm going to show you a long one, a twin lock what I've got somewhere, what I want to join. I've been wanting to join it from a long time. There it is. This one is just annoying me, so I want to join it here. I've started doing it, so I'm going to take it all the way down.
I've got a 2-prong, I'm going to try and use this one. I don't really use the 2-prong ones. I'm a bit scared if I do it wrong. See? I'm bringing it through. So kind of distressing one lock. Whoop, whoop. You see all this? Now I'm going to put it through that side. So I turn it. Push it in, pull it back. Push it in, pull it.
Push it in, pull it. And as I said, guys, you've got to be very careful because you can damage the lock if you do it you don't do it properly. So it takes practice. I've been practicing this before I've actually shown you guys how I do it. This might not be the proper way, but it works for me. See?
Can't handle the double prong one. I feel more comfortable using this one, the single prong.
See what I mean? So guys, I've just got that little bit there to do. So I've done all of this. All of this I've done. And I saw a little bit of build up here. I'm going to scrape that out. So I'm just going to finish this little piece here and then we're done. So remember, you're pushing the needle through, in, then you're pulling it out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out. You see these bits here? Those are what you're going to be pulling back into the lock once you've pulled it through. So you see that lock? It's just all one now. So I'm going to turn it round and then this way actually. See? Pulling it through, pull through, and then you go up in the lock, up there, and then you do this motion and turn it at the same time. And that's how you get your cylinder look. And you just kind of roll it So that, what was a twin lock, is now one. See? And that's it. Now I'm gonna do the rest, and then I'm gonna moisturize it. I'll be back. And there you have it, guys, all done. That long one, that's one, was two, is now become one. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.